In this episode, I'll be sharing with you how to hire a financial planner. So how do you go about hiring one, right? What do you look for? What do you ask? I put together a simple checklist that we're going to go through in this episode, okay? So, by the way, use this checklist to help you confidently select the right financial planner for your needs. I want to share, before we dive into this though, I want to share with you that this checklist is in my blog at JasonGelios.com. You can get the full checklist there. You can print it out. Actually, I'll put a link in the description for you, okay? Now, you want to ask about credentials and licensing. So are they properly licensed to provide financial advice? Do they hold professional certifications? For example, CFP, CPA, CFA, and CHFC, okay? Do they hold these professional certifications? And can they prove that to you, okay? And are they in good standing with regulatory agencies, okay? There's no red flags for them. Now, are they experienced? And do they specialize in the area that you need them to specialize in, okay? Ask yourself, are they experienced in working with clients like me? Do they specialize in your financial goals like retirement, investing, tax planning, and estate planning, things like that? And do they have a proven track record with client references or testimonials? Okay. The next area is compensation and fees. So you want to make sure that they clearly explain how they are paid. Are they fee only? Are they commission based? Or are they hybrid model? Do they disclose that to you? Okay, they should. And make sure that there's no hidden fees or conflicts of interest, okay? The next question, you know what are the services that the certified financial planner offers? Do they offer financial planning and goal setting? Do they offer retirement planning, investment strategy, tax strategies, estate and legacy planning, and insurance guidance? Okay, do they offer these services? Simply ask them that, okay? Now, this is a huge one. This area is communication and trust, okay? Is the financial planner easy to reach, and are they responsive to your questions? Do they explain the concepts of, finance clearly and in a simple manner? Do they listen to your concerns and know what your goals are? Are they listening to you? And do they make you feel comfortable and confident? If your gut says they're not the right person, go with your gut, okay? And are they a personal fit? So, do their values align with yours? Are you comfortable in a working relationship with that financial planner? Okay? And do they take the time to understand your full financial picture? Do they really understand what you need done and the questions that you're asking? Do they know how to properly answer those questions? Okay? So I want to share with you here some smart questions that you can ask a financial planner when you're considering, basically hiring them. And this is a little bit of a review of what I just shared with you, but let's go ahead and dive into it. So ask the financial planner, how are you compensated? Okay. What experience do you have with clients like me? What services are included in your fees? How often will we review my plan? And are you a fiduciary? In other words, required to act in my best interest. Now, as a realtor, I have a fiduciary duty to the sellers and the buyers that I represent, meaning I have to act in their best interest. It's the same with the financial planner, okay? So let's go ahead and just, let's do a quick review of what I shared. So, credentials and licensing, experience and specialization, compensation and fees, ask them that, what services are offered, and communication and trust, and the most important one, personal fit. Do they fit what you need, and are they helpful? Do you like them, right? Do you like the person? Do you like the guy or girl who is a financial planner? If you don't like them, it doesn't matter how much they know and how great they are, because you're not going to want to work with them, okay? So these are just some of the things that you should be aware of before hiring a financial planner. I appreciate you guys watching.